guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog, you guys. Good morning. It is 9:30 in the morning. I just got to the office and today is Monday, you guys, so it is back to the regular scheduled program. You guys know, like, Monday is always the day. You got to catch up from the weekend. You got to get ready for a productive week. You got to start the week off strong. So that's what we're doing today. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff that needs to be done. A lot of orders that need to be done. A lot of organizing that still needs to be done. And I have some inventory that I still need to get together. I still need to plan more inventory and get that situated. And I'm working on kind of like revamping a little bit, on my website. Like, not anything crazy, but I really just want to, do things a little bit differently. I've been saying that I want to do inventory and stop making stuff to order. So that's what we're working on. We're working on planning how much we want to make, how much we want to put in stock every month, because I kind of want to do it on a monthly basis. I don't really want to be stopping every week or every other week to kind of like restock stuff. That's still going to feel very much like I'm making stuff to order, So I think we want to do it on a monthly basis, but I'm really trying to gauge, how much inventory I really need to make. It is Black Friday time, Cyber Monday time, holiday time. So people are shopping because things are on sale. So I really had to like think back to how people were shopping prior to the sales when everything was regular price, so that I can kind of gauge, how much inventory I should be making. But we're also working on our holiday boxes. I'm so excited. We have to get that done this week so that we can launch it. And then, like I said, just organizing in general. Like, there's a lot of things that need to be done. I need to turn on the lights in here because I finally got curtains up. Okay, so our purple curtains did go up. I'm still working on what I want to do in this room, and I still have not put all of them up yet, and I still have not fixed that one yet because that one's up higher than all the rest of them. But that is on my list. Another thing on my list is to organize all this stuff right here, minus the bubble wrap is basically trash, so I need to get that out of here and just, keep organizing. I have some bins over there with little stickies on it. You guys can kind of see that from over here. Those are my lip liners that you saw in the previous video that me and Greg were organizing. So yeah, I'm like, we're making progress, but I just need to finish. I need to do that for my glosses as well. And then today, you guys, we are going to be getting our little Christmas set up together. So we have this tree that we had in the previous space that we were in. We got some ornaments. We got a little star. It's gonna be super cute. So I had to include this in Vlogmas for sure. I actually just brought in this huge box of inventory. I got some coconut oil, 2 gallons of coconut oil in here. I got some Get Suckered lip gloss base and flavors and stuff, and some more popsicle sticks. And then these are my sample containers. So just restocking some stuff. We go through coconut oil so fast, it's crazy. And we always need popsicle sticks, of course. So I just brought all this stuff from my house. Y'all, look at this. They ain't got nothing in here. Y'all was laughing at me for shopping in October, wasn't y'all? But look, empty. Since when did Walmart have these little 3-wick candles though? Not pumpkin waffles like Bath & Body Works pumpkin pecan waffles. Y'all, these candles are $5. What the heck? This is crazy. Wow. Today's December 7th, y'all, so people cleared it out. People getting ready. Look at this. Why did I not have this color before? So cute. They got all the ugly letters left. No, I'm kidding.
No, you serious?
They don't got ours.
Not fair. Y'all is wrong for that. They don't got it.
They ain't got no more. Even up here, they don't got none.
Oh, that's more?
But I didn't see no. I didn't see him up here.
They got an N and Mama. D and a B, and they had an M.
Of course. No K's, no C's, no N's. Okay, so I just came to the realization that I didn't get Devin a stocking, you know? And I'm sitting here like, why didn't I get Devin a stocking so that I could, like, you know, fill up our stockings? You guys, green is his favorite color. I think he would like this. I think he would just like the fact that he has a stocking, you know? Like, it doesn't go with my decor or anything, but that doesn't matter. It's like, it's his color, you know? But then I gotta find a hook for it too. Let me get one that has less stuff everywhere. Or do they all have stuff everywhere? I think he would like to have a stocking, you guys. Let's see. These are hats. Because I was like, ooh, what is this? But I think it's a hat. Look at the little mini ones. No, I can't fit anything in there. So, I think I'm going to get this for Devin. You shake it. Like, what are these little fluffies that are stuck on there? I think this is all that they really have to offer here. Should I get him a matching green Santa hat? Oh, my mom actually got a Santa hat. So, no, I don't need to buy that. Okay, so are they gonna have a stocking holder, you guys? I don't know. Don't you guys love a challenge? Trying to find something in the store. Look, they do have some. I like the snowman because it has a little green accent right there. Oh, he has a green gift too. Okay, so look, I found a penguin and a snowman, and then his favorite color is green, right? So do I get a penguin or a snowman? I mean, you know, he's just gonna have his own little corner because none of this goes with my house, but he likes green. So it has to be green.
And they had a D thing over there, and you could glue that on there.
Okay.
I was too crazy with it.
Yes.
Why? That's what I would have did. I would have stuck a D right on the front of it for Devin. Let's see. I like the snowman.
Me too, because I was like, I don't know if I really like the penguin. Okay, I think
that cute.
Period, poo. Devin, you got a snowman. Y'all, please. So here's lunch. A little nacho moment, okay? Nachos, chips, cheese dip, come on now. So we're done eating lunch and we are about to get this show on the road. I'm printing out some orders right now. I like to do that every Monday when I get in because orders come in over the weekend and I want to go ahead and get that situated. Oh, and today is Mind Your Business Monday, so I'm about to start posting in a few here as well. Y'all, we ended up in the store way longer than we thought we were going to be, so there's that. I went to Hobby Lobby because I have an order for a shag and I was gonna grab the yarn. Yarn is on sale, but I'm gonna have to order it online because they didn't have it in the store. So we ended up, like, Hobby Lobby was just like a waste of a trip, honestly. So yeah, I was like, dang, you know, what am I gonna do now? But yeah, it's online, so I'm gonna order it online, and then I think I can get cash back that way too. So that sounds like a plan, you know. Greg is on his way here. He's gonna help me out with organizing again today. Shout out Greg. And then we're gonna put the Christmas tree and stuff up, so it should be fun. I'm about to make him put on a smudge mask, y'all. What'd you say? It ain't no vlog today. You thought? But it is the end of the night, so you know, we didn't catch you in action this time. Working. We didn't catch you in action this time, working. We've been working, we've been organizing and stuff. And it's about that time. What are you doing?
This smell like, I don't know.
Y'all, I left the freaking pins, the little ornament hook things at home, so we can't even do the tree today. So that was an epic fail, but that's okay.
30 pounds of gloss paste? Are you kidding me?
He's reading the bucket. He's reading the bucket and he did not know that it was 30 pounds in there, y'all. He shook.
Oh, you're out. You need more. This is empty. Look at this. This is empty.
It's only a little bit left.
You can't even, yeah.
I can scrape, I get it out.
Heading out early today. Yes, it's not midnight. It's, what time is it? Is it 6, 7? Oh. 7:02. Stop playing with us. Out of here, not one time, but you know, before midnight, right?
Definitely before midnight.
Yes. Period.
You should be asleep by midnight.
Sleep? What is sleep?
I'll be asleep.
Good morning. So it's literally Tuesday now. I didn't really end the vlog yesterday, I don't think, so I wanted to come on here and end the vlog this morning. I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas. I'm moving very slow this morning, okay? Your girl is tired. It is 10:06 and I'm still at home, but I just got ready, so I'm about to leave. I was looking for these ornament hooks in my house because if you saw earlier in this video, we were supposed to do the tree yesterday and we couldn't find any ornament hooks. Or did we find them and then she was just like, don't you have some? I don't know. Either way, we did not buy the hooks from the store yesterday, and so I was like, oh, let me not forget this morning to grab them. Y'all, I thought that they were in the box with all of my like Christmas stuff. I kept the boxes for the trees and for the ornaments so that I could kind of like keep all of that stuff organized, because I didn't really know like how I was gonna store all of my Christmas stuff after Christmas, where I was gonna put it, how I was gonna keep it. So I just kept like all the boxes and bins and all of that everything came in, so that can at least be a first step if I don't want to, you know, purchase storage bins or something else right away. So yeah, I'm like, oh yeah, I think I put the extra pins, the little ornament hooks, inside of the box with everything else. Y'all, they are not in there. And I'm like, where the heck are these ornament hooks? Like, where could they be? I have no idea where they are. And I know for sure that I did not use all of them to decorate my trees. So why can I not find them? I don't know. So I'm like, is the tree gonna get done today, or are we gonna have to go buy the ornament hooks today? I don't know. We're gonna figure it out, but we need to do the tree at the office because I'm ready for that to be done. But yeah, that's how my morning's going. Okay, I just made me some tea. I just packed up all my stuff. I just finished getting dressed, so I'm about to head out. I just tried on my Christmas PJs because, you know, we were trying to figure out if these were going to fit. We're going to be matching with the PJs and the slippers, and we also have a Christmas t-shirt and a Christmas face mask because we're doing Christmas first at my parents' house. Me and Devin are going to be spending Christmas together for the first time in my first apartment. So last year, you know, he was at my parents' house. We celebrated everything, but I'm excited. You guys saw I got him a stocking and everything, but we're all wearing matching stuff because on Christmas we're going to go to my parents' house first, exchange gifts over there, and then we're gonna go to my grandmother's house. Grandma and Nanny, we're gonna spend, like, all of us are gonna spend Christmas over there, but obviously we still want to be safe about it, so we have some really cute Christmas masks and all this stuff. So we had to make sure our PJs fit. They are men's Hanes PJs, so mine fit perfectly. Pretty sure Devin's gonna be fine. I'm just waiting to hear back from my mom and my dad to make sure that theirs fit, because we bought all this stuff yesterday at Walmart. I freaking love them, you guys, and me and Devin are gonna put these outfits on and do some Vlogmas content for y'all. I'm just trying to figure out what we're gonna film, honestly, because I don't know what we're gonna film. But yeah, that's pretty much all that's going on this morning. I have a full day of work ahead of me. Praise God for getting the Vlogmas video for today finished prior to today. Okay, so it is up, scheduled, and ready. So excited about that because if I have to like edit the same day, I'm honestly stressed. So yes, I'm gonna have to figure out tomorrow. Maybe I can edit tomorrow's video today when I get home from the office, because me and Serena are supposed to hang out tomorrow. I'm supposed to be, you know, going to get my nails done tomorrow. We'll see what happens tomorrow, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel down below, and I will see you guys in my next Vlogmas video. Happy holidays.